All right, AMRA subscribers and motorcycle enthusiasts. I'm rebuilding my brake calipers. A couple of friends of mine told me, well, one of them said, it's easy, just do it. Another friend said, just do it. But basically this piston was seized. I'm gonna point with the Allen key. This piston, where there's a socket in there, there's a 15 millimeter socket. And these pistons are different sizes. So this is 15. I found that I need a 16 for this guy. And a different Allen key. And when I do that, and I stick it in there, I'm able to loosen it up. And basically, with these pistons all the way, almost pushed all the way in, I'm able to get these pistons out. So this one was seized. I couldn't move it. It wasn't moving when I was pressing the caliper. And it took me a little bit, well, more than a little bit. It took quite a bit to get it to this point where I could get it out. Since I'm able to get it out by rocking it back and forth, like I said, with the socket inside the piston. There it is. With the socket and using this Allen key, I'm able to get it out. I wanted to share that little bit of information. There was a couple videos on YouTube that showed this method. It took me a little bit to find them and to get it to work for me. So push this guy in a little bit more. And another thing is I grabbed this little piece of metal to push it in with. And let's see if I made enough space. Yeah, definitely there's enough space to come out. So this is the piston that was giving me a very hard time. And I marred the edge of it, right on the very edge. I'm planning on just polishing it down a little and reusing it. Hopefully that's not going to be a problem. And I'm gonna I'll show you. I'm gonna do the same thing with this side, just briefly. Oh, that came out. This is a side that was not seized, so it came out a lot easier. A lot easier. I wasn't even planning on showing you that, but I'm just doing a quick inspection. It looks clean, looks nice. I don't see any issues with reusing it. So I just wanted to share that little bit of information with you, fellow motorcyclist, and just trying to clean up a little bit before I touch my camera. And so good luck to you in your brake caliper repair projects. Getting to this point was not easy. Like I said, I had a friend who said, this is so easy, just do it. It wasn't. Oh, another little thing I wanted to point out was I used, it was a tip I got online from one of the big shots, like Rev Cycle. Yeah, one of those really big companies that has videos online for doing your self-work. And one of the tips I got was to use a vacuum, or I believe he said vacuum hose, I'm not sure. But I had these vacuum hoses that I've used for lots of projects. And eventually I found one that fit in there really nicely, where there's no fluid leaking out. And so I've got the brake line closed off with this vacuum hose cap. And So I'm sure you're going to want to do something similar. And really quickly, I used a 16mm socket inside the piston and a 15mm socket inside the pistons and the Allen keys to get it out. And like I said, good luck to you.